In this video, I want to share with you how you can make sales off the current Trump news. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. So before I get into how you can make money off the current Trump news, I just want to do a quick sales update. So yesterday, sales are actually starting to go down because we're just getting closer to Christmas. Q4 is kind of pretty much over, but no big deal. This is just the way it is this time of year. But so yesterday, I only did 12 sales, did 16 bucks. Today it is 9:17 a.m. in the morning, sitting at 2 sales with $9, and that is going to put me at $1,837 for December, which is an all-time record for me. I'm hoping to break 2,000. That would also be a new milestone. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales on Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. So I post my daily sales for Etsy, Merch by Amazon. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, just kind of like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. So link is in the description if you want to follow me on Instagram. Okay, now let's get into the content of the video. So you probably heard, or you might have heard, of the new Trump news that came out, I believe, yesterday. It says Colorado Supreme Court rules Trump is disqualified from presidency for January 6th riot. And I was actually kind of glad to see this because there really hasn't been that many new political trendy niches, and I really like the political niches because I've just been able to make good sales off them. Some people are kind of afraid because they think they might get their account in trouble, but me personally, I've never had any problems doing any political niches. I usually just stay away from using the word like Trump and Biden for the most part. That has kept my account safe. But what you want to do, or what I like to do, is I like to just pull up the news story and I'll just kind of like read it, and I'll try and look for some keywords. And one keyword that popped out to me was Section 3 of the 14th Amendment. So now we'll just take like part of this keyword or the whole keyword, and I will pop it into Merch Informer. You guys have seen me use this before. Type in 14th Amendment, hit search, where I have it on US and t-shirt, and then we will be able to see what kind of competition there is, or the designs that are selling for this keyword. So 14th Amendment, I'm only seeing 41 results. So you can see something like this right here, but I want something that's more kind of about the news. And I was just scrolling down, I saw this one right here, Enforce the 14th Amendment, Section 3, which is exactly what this news is about. Now this design was not uploaded just like a couple days ago. You can see it was uploaded September 3rd, 2023, but it is selling. But so what I did is I said, okay, I want to make something like this. And one of the best ways to make a design without actually just doing a straight up copy, because that's never really good, is just to add in some type of clip art. So the obvious one would be like some type of flag or American flag. So what I did is I just went to Photoshop, made a quick design. This is it right here. If I click on this, it will take me to the actual design. So this is it right here. Comment below what you think of my design skills. I just got some like distressed font and put the clip art in between the keywords or the phrase Enforce the 14th Amendment, Section 13. And I actually got a sale on this pretty much right away. You can see I already have sold it once, and it was just uploaded December 21st, 2023, and already has a BSR. So you can make something kind of like this, where you just take one of these phrases. You can also say like protect the 14th Amendment, Section 13. You can use your own creativity to come up with something different, maybe a different style kind of flag. It's never good to do a straight up copy, but you can make something similar and hopefully get similar sales results. Now what this also did this also got me thinking about some of the other amendments, because in the Constitution there's not just one amendment. I think there's like 27. And so what I did is I just went to Google, like I always like to do, and I just typed in most popular amendments, and it pulled up all these amendments right here, and these are all niches that could possibly get us sales. So what I did is I just started popping in like 10th Amendment to the Merch Informer website, and I was just seeing if I can find so many good ones that had low competition that were selling. And I'm just going to share with you, this is kind of like a 2-for-1 video where I'm going to show you like a trending niche and then also some evergreen niches. So like for example, I typed in the 13th Amendment, only 7 results. This one right here, 13th Amendment, established 1865. Now, it is always a good idea just to do like a little quick Google research about the amendment. That will help you kind of design a little better. But we can see that this is this keyword for the 13th Amendment, super low in competition. This one right here is selling out. These ones, aren't going to have the best BSRs, but these are going to be some evergreen niches that are going to help your portfolio, so that when sales are low, like maybe like right now, or you don't have any trending designs that are selling, these evergreen niches could help get you some sales on those slow days. So right here, 13th Amendment, established 1865, make something similar or use your own creativity to come up with a unique design, and, you might be able to get some sales. Here is another one. So 10th Amendment, only 4 results. Let's see what we have here. So like this one, you can just, this is really simple. You just take a Roman numeral. You could probably do this for all of them, 1 through 27. Just put the Roman numeral and put some stars around it. And we're going to see that this one is also has some sales as well. Let's take a look at the next one. And I didn't do this for all 27. I just popped in like 10 because I started to get a little bored, to be honest. So I was just looking for like about 5 or so. But this is a pretty good one right here, the 19th Amendment. Now this one has more competition because this is related to women's voting rights. So like right here, you can do something like this, 19th Amendment, women's vote, 1920, 2020. We're going to see it has 2 reviews, also has a BSR. And this last one that I have for you is the 25th Amendment. So only 11 results. You can see that these amendment niches have very little competition. Not too many people know about. Now I would probably, you can, but I would probably stay away from like the Second Amendment, First Amendment. You can do those ones, but there's just going to be a lot of competition because those are like the most popular, especially the Second Amendment, Now maybe if you're running ads, you might be able to get some visibility, but I would probably stay away, from those popular ones like the First Amendment, Second Amendment, because there's going to be too much competition. And I would probably focus more on these ones that are super low in competition, because it's going to be easier for people to find you. Like this one right here, 25th Amendment, like how easy is this to design for? And we can see that, low in competition, 11 results. And it has a BSR in getting sales. So again, you can just come over here to Google, type in, most popular amendments, and just go through these. You want to go through and there might be some ones that I didn't even found. Like I don't think I did the 16th or the 20th. And you can just pop these into Merch Informer. This is a free website. This is the URL right at the top here. You want it on USA t-shirt, type it in, hit search, and you just want to see what the competition is. Me, I like to focus on niches that are under 1,000 results. And then I want to see if they're selling. I don't really get too like if it has a really high, like in the 8 million. That doesn't really what's the word I'm trying to look for? It doesn't. Shoot, I can't even speak here. If it has like a high BSR, I will still design for it. It's not gonna disarray me. Anyways, I can't think of the word, but I think you get the point. As long as it has a BSR and it's low in competition, then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and design for it. And then, like I was saying, you're going to have a lot of, these evergreen design niches in your portfolio that will help you get you sales when things are kind of slow. All right, so that is going to be it for the video today. I just wanted to make a video because I saw this Trump news and I made a design the other night. It got a sale pretty much right away, so I figured I'd make a video about it, sharing with you guys how you guys can do something similar. And then I also, started thinking about these amendment niches that are super low in competition. So take a look at those. Let me know what you think. But that's going to be it for today's video. I'm probably going to have another one come out tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you get notified. If you are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, I do have a course. It's the first link in the description. It's only $20. It's on Udemy. It comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. So for every reason you're not satisfied, you can return it within 30 days, get your money back. But if you read the reviews, people seem to really like it. I'm just going to show you my exact strategy on how I get sales like this right here. So if you're interested in that, link is in the description. That's going to be it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.